helicopter is going to be 3 miles to the west, doing a pickup in the tree line, Elk River.
And the departed Baron has the Little Bird in sight. We'll maintain clearance from you. Y'all have a good day.
Appreciate it. Likewise.
Elk River, Traffic Ground Mike's departing, 30 Elk River. All right, full prop. All right, full power, maintain center line. All right, right rudder. 50, 60, 70, rotate. All right, positive rate, gears coming up. All right, gears up. Whoa, feel the wind. So again, this will be Eagle's Nest coming up on our right. I wish you'd take some pictures, Eli, for me. Elk River Traffic Ground Mike's going to go straight out to the west and then circle distance to the north, Elk River.
Elk River Traffic, I answer tree with your ballot departing runway 30 Elk River.
I don't see any traffic. Who
Elk
knows?
River 539 Juliet Bravo will be right behind the Bonanza.
I don't see any other traffic. That's still all Eagle's Nest. You can kind of tell the more modern houses. Don't see any traffic, so that's good.
Elk River, Cherokee 539 Juliet Bravo departing.
Will you get some more pictures for me? Any close-ups of the houses if you can? I don't. That aren't all digitally. This is that's the Sportsman's Lodge right there. You'll see it, where all those buildings are. This is sort of the very back of the neighborhood. And then that's like a fitness club, like a YMCA that's part of Beech Mountain. I've never, it's really close to Eagle's Nest, but you can't get there from Eagle's Nest. All right, so I'll fly back and let you get a couple pictures of Beech Mountain, and then we'll head towards
the South Elk River.
Kill that bug, got him. So this is actually Beech Mountain neighborhood. Some of those trails we rode on are now, you can get to Beech Mountain from there. They paved a road out the back of the neighborhood. And this is the Beech Mountain ski slope. And then the Wizard of Oz we went to, the Land of Oz is up on top. You can't really see it at this altitude, but it's right at the very top. Get a couple pictures of the ski slope for me. And I'll head towards Boone. All right, we'll head go through this little pass. You can just jump out, Boone, if you want to. Jump out the window. Alright, I should probably put a flight pan in. Oh, I see an airplane. Alright, we need to turn anyway. A lot of aircraft still don't have the radar tracking. Actually, it might be a helicopter. I don't know if you see it. It's just below us. It's still out a pretty good ways, but below the horizon. Kind of between the first two ridge of mountains. I think it's a helicopter. Looks like a big helicopter. You see it? I think it's a Chinook, one of those double helicopter, military helicopters. I saw one the other day. All right. Sorry about that, I got the GPS wonky. It's not far at all to Boone in a straight line in an airplane.
Traffic, 0865 truck, 10 miles out south, 2,800, now 45 downwind from 24, bro. Elk River traffic, Little Bird helicopter, 5 miles to the west right now.
Oh wow, they're there already. Like.
Elk River traffic, 84 Alpha Tango departing runway 12.
See it right under us?
Elk River traffic, here 02, Seagull 47. We're about 2 miles to the east, transitioning west at.
I'll slow down and get a little lower. Bumpy over here. I'll fly to this side so you can see, and then I'll fly over your apartment. I forgot how high we were. It's gorgeous. There's your old dorm. So your parking lot was way over there. That's 105, way kind of off the tip of the wing. So this will be 421 going right out beside us. Yep, there's your apartments. You'll see it in a minute. I don't know if you can see it. I want to see the part where it flooded too. So it's going to be right. See those red brick buildings? That's your apartments. And then the ball fields and everything are just past it. Yeah, park doesn't look too bad now. Yep, there's your building, I guess. Cool. Alright, now let me kind of see where else we want to go and head back towards home. and get up a little higher and go over Blowing Rock. And then it's almost on the way home. This 421 comes out this way, 321 goes that way, so we're between them right now. Got an aircraft under us somewhere. Trying to see, that's the Boone Airport right down there where you picked me up. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of going under the wing now. Plane under us, I can't see him, but we should be 1,000 feet above him, so we should be fine.
I see a helicopter.
You do? Okay. They're way below us, I hope? Okay. So I'm going to try to find Highway 321 over here, the way you go. That might be 321 there. Yep, that's it. So we'll kind of follow 321. This is where Mystery Hill and Tweetsie Railroad and those places are. I know you come that way up to Hickory sometimes now.
Yeah.
Depending on traffic and where you are. And then kind of as soon as you pass Blowing Rock, you're out of the mountains. This is 321, I believe. So this is in this little valley up to the right. That's going to be Blowing Rock.
Okay.
Yeah, this whole area here is Blowing Rock. There's a resort there, I can't remember the name of it. And then we stayed in Blowing Rock several times with Lily Houston one time, and then just our family. And then the Blowing Rock, the actual Blowing Rock Park is going to be right under us. I don't think you can see it. I've never been able to pick it out. And this is the Green Park's golf course. So yeah, the Blowing Rock, the actual park, is somewhere right down there. So, and we'll head towards Concord. I appreciate you coming, Eli. It's kind of anticlimactic, but oh, there's Blowing Rock. See that green tower? It's kind of, there's like an observation.
I don't really see it.
Okay, what's on that ridge? There's like a tower on stilts. Kind of looks like a water tower.
Okay.
All right. Well, it's good for me to spend time with you, so I appreciate it. So this is going to take